Okay, so we want to protect a directory or a folder on the server. I want to protect one on my server, and I'll show you which one it is. It's this folder here. This has all my images in there, and that's a protection script that I have there, which I'm going to go ahead and delete that off the server right now, and that way I can show you why this works and how it works. So if I were to go into this directory now, resourceleader.com/images, I'm going to see all the images that are in there. So because it's unprotected and there's nothing there to stop somebody from just looking in there and doing whatever they want, which is not a big deal. But if you wanted to protect a directory or a folder, I'll show you how to do it here. There's a couple ways to do it. I'll take this one out that I had, and I'll show you how I can do it. There's a couple ways. But I'm going to use a macro here, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of typing here. I'm going to get some tags, JavaScript. This is a JavaScript way to do it. I got some tags, and I say JavaScript redirect. That's just so to help me remember how to do it. That's why I write these macros. So here's a JavaScript version right here. And at this point, I can put any website I want in here, and then that way when they show up over here, they're just going to not be able to see any of this. They're just going to be redirected immediately to where I say. So where I say, let's say I want them to go to a website, https://www. We'll say smallstreetnews.com. We'll send them right over to smallstreetnews.com. So I'm not sure if this space up here is going to matter on JavaScript. I don't believe so. But I definitely know that it matters using the PHP version of this redirect, which I'm going to show you in just a minute here. But now let's save this, and I will upload it to my server. There, I deleted it, but here it is right here. So I'm going to re-upload that to the server, and that's done. So now when we go back over here to this directory, if I hit enter now, that script should grab a hold of it and redirect me over to that website. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so there it is. It shot me over to smallstreetnews.com right there. That's better than them being able to get into my directory, but you can basically send them anywhere you want. So that is the JavaScript version of it, and just so you know how I did that macro I was working on there. If you look up here in my JavaScript redirects here, you can see how I created that in the macro program. I just kind of typed it in here. Once you learn stuff, you make a macro out of it. It's easy to go back and kind of remember what you did. But there's my little trigger right there, JS redirect. So whenever I type that in, it's going to expand automatically and put the content right where I asked it to go. And it's same as the JST, which just gives me the JavaScript tags. And it's just a real speedy way to program, really. But let's go ahead and do the PHP version now. Basically the same thing. We're going to say PHP-T. I got some tags. And then I'm going to say PHP, I'm going to say in order now, PHP redirect. And here comes the PHP version of the redirect. Now I want to tell you something that I found out that's important here. When you're using this PHP header location like this, it's important. You definitely have to have these things in there. You can use die or exit. It seems to work with either one, but you cannot have a space above where this redirects. The first thing that sees is going to be the header, and if you even have a space up here, it's not going to work. So remember that and keep that out of there, just like that. So let's go save that, and we'll go try this one out, and we'll go upload, and that'll replace that one. And then we'll jump over to the page here. We're going to say resource leader, right? And we're going to go images. Now that we saved that, rather than go to this website, it should go now to back to Google. So, and there it is. So we went right to Google. So you can redirect them anywhere you want. You can use this redirect for just redirecting people from one page to another. But that's how you do it. And like I said, I was using this macro generator over here, and as my PHP version down here, PHP, I think I just put it right up in here. Yeah, there it is, PHP redirect. So that's how I did that one too. There's the trigger, PHP redirect, and there's going to be a link to this automation software down on the bottom there, but it's pretty cool. So that's how I do my redirects. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.